can do it easily.
Come on, okay, I'll hold your handstand mo and then let's see if you can push up. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Привет, семья! So today we'll be trying to learn how to backflip. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready? So, why you guys want to learn how to do backflip?
Freestyle.
So, okay,
I have nothing else to do.
So you're gonna do it on freestyle in Taekwondo,
If
right?
I can do a backflip.
I don't want to do
I just want to join him.
Okay, and okay, so we're gonna do it in our Singapore function hall. Let's go, guys.
Oh, let's go. Tia, why are you wearing jeans? You're wearing jeans.
Second
Glass
part.
house?
Yeah, in a glass house. Okay, and guess what? Sino magiging instructor nila sa backflip?
I'm not ready.
Okay, ito ang magiging... Ito yung magiging instructor nila. Ang expert na gymnast na... ano nga bro, dating member of the Philippine All-Stars. Okay, so ito yung magiging place namin. Pero ilalagay na lang natin yung ano, di ba?
Ha?
Ilalagay natin tong mattress.
Oh, they're drying this up. Sabi mo, sayang mali natin is strong knees and strong shoulder. So, almost all the moves ng gymnastics, kailangan talaga solid yung, nagtatagal kayo. Solid yung elbow nyo, yung shoulder nyo, and yung knees nyo. I'll start you guys with handstand. Kasi yan ang foundation ng tumbling. If you're gonna do a front handspring or back handspring, you will always end up on a handstand. Lagi yan. So let's say, example, magbaback handspring ka. You'll end up on a handstand. And then if you're gonna do a front handspring, ganun pa din. So start tayo sa handstand. Handstand, just imagine it na, you know when you're standing, di ba? If you're falling forward, try it. Stand kayo, straight. Tapos, fall forward. Manonotice nyo, ang nag-i-stop ng pag-fall nyo is your toes. Diba? Ngayon, if you fall backwards, inaangat nyo naman yung toes nyo. So, when you're on a handstand, ang pipigil kapag babagsak kayo sa harap ay fingers. Okay? Tapos, kapag babagsak kayo pa likod, is iaangat nyo yung fingers nyo. This, let's say we're upside down. Ayan o. So ito, magiging fingers nyo to. Fingers, palm. Fingers, palm. Okay? So clear yun ha?
Thank you kay Lea. Thank you.
Pangalawa, if you guys will, so let's say ito, naka-upside down tayo, di ba? If you guys bend your, if you guys put your feet together, dito ka. It's more painful here. It's painful here. Nakita nyo? So same thing yan. Kapag naka-handstand kayo, and you bend your elbow, mas mahirap. Para kang naka-squat. So what do? You lock your shoulder, you lock. If you feel nyo lang, para ma-memorize nyo lang yung distance ng kamay nyo, ma-memorize nyo na you're not gonna bend your elbows. Tapos mawawala yung pinaka-fear mo. As long as ito, tsaka ito, pinaghiwalay mo, you're not gonna fall over. And then straight. So dapat ito nakahalo to. Okay? Hindi nakatayo. Go down. Very good. Very good. Again. That's it. Keep your legs open. Yan. Ganyan lang. And down. Very good. This time, pagbaba mong ganon, I will bring you higher. Don't be scared, okay? Do not try to walk. Okay? I have you. I'm holding on to you. Ready? And slowly. Very good. And down. When you go down, the same way. How did you go up here? And go up. And down. Open legs. Very good. Ikaw, sasaluhin lang kita dito. Okay? Dumiretso ka na when you go down, keep mo lang yung leg mo, yung isa lang hahawakan ko na paa mo. Okay? Do not jump into it. Just down, and then swing this. This will bring you up. Okay? Pero huwag ka muna mag-close ha. I just wanna see kung kaya mong mag-plunge. Sige. Huwag ka matakot. Kapag sumobra siya, huwag ka mag-step kasi I will stop you naman. Very good. Again. Head in, head in. Nakaganon ka. So mahihirapan ka humingi niyan. Ito, this is what you're doing. Same nung kay sister mo. Nakaganon. So head in. Maglalaki yan. Very nice. Now, bring it up. Both legs. Pag bababa ka na, same thing ha, open. Okay. Sige, I'll find your center. Down, open. Nice.
Ay.
Nice.
Hey, handstand. So, ganun pa din. Sanayin mo yung paa mo. Sige. Bawas ng konti sa power. If I'm not here, tutuloy-tuloy ka na. Nice. Very good. Keep this straight. Nagbe-bend siya. Nakaganyan ka. Very good. Importante yun kasi when you do a back handspring, you actually need to push out. Push out. Pag nasali ka na, pag nag-handstand ka pa lang, pino-fold mo na siya, you're gonna end up like this. Masasanay ka na gano'n, di ba? Pangting na. So, push out ka, keep this straight, keep it open. Okay? Close. Nice. Open.
Okay, here's the next level. Okay. Now, he needs to do 2 legs.
But you will see, the reason for that is hindi pa malakas yung core mo, yung sa legs mo. So, ang nangyayari, from here, bumibigay yung buong katawan mo. So, it means hindi pa talaga nadidevelop yung core mo, yung power mo sa kamay, power mo sa paa. Okay? That's why ito, yung mga ganitong exercises, repetitive to. Months and months you do it. Hanggang yung buong katawan mo maging solid siya. Solid yung buong katawan mo. Yan, malayo ka sa injury. Yeah? Papatibayin na natin. Let's go. Ang goal mo is makatayo. Okay, tayo. Nice!
Nice.
Warm up lang muna. Handstand lang muna. Yung usual handstand, go down. Mga 3 nun. And then pag medyo gising na ulit yung kamay mo, and then we'll do the kick. Okay? Assist to, yung kanina. Handstand. Wait. Handstand. Nice. And down. Very good. Last one. Handstand. Close your feet. Tapos ibuelo mo yung paa mo. Arch ng konting-konti. And then when it's going down, stop. Okay. Handstand first. And push. O, pag ganun tayo, para dun sa matang bagsak.
Yeah.
Parang ini-snap mo kasi yun, i-snap mo yung katawan mo. But, you cannot snap it too early kasi you'll end up going up. Dapat papunta na doon. So, andito ka, wait, and then push. Okay, ano nangyayari sa'yo? Nandito ka pala sa taas, nag-snap ka na. Diba yun? I can easily do a back tap. Kasi lumulutang na ako eh. Diba? But, if nag-land ako na gano'n, kaya nga sabi sa inyo kanya, diba? Huwag kayo masanay na yung lazy go down.
Time.
Same concept din. Common, yes. Ang common mistake ng cartwheel is nagpa-pike sila. Hindi nila nakikip yung straight. Alam na natin na kapag nakapike ka, nawawala yung momentum mo. Hindi mo magagamit. So, ang common mistake ng cartwheel is hand here, and then, kumakapit sila dito. See? Nag-bend agad yung katawan ko. Paano mo siya makikip na straight? So, it means ang goal mo is to stretch your body. So, it means you're gonna grab as far as you can. As far as you can. Para ma-pull mo to na straight. Kasi if you reach down, but you don't jump, You don't jump. If you reach down here, matik nakabaluktot na ako. Diba? So, paano gagawin nyo? Reach as far as you can. From here, ang mag-aim kayo, halimbawa, hanggang doon. But without jumping, And then, the legs will stay open. Okay? Open, Very good. Next. Good. But, further. Kasi, like kita. See, nangyari sa'yo, nandito ka lang. Kasi, nakabend yung katawan mo. So, goal mo is straight far. As far as you can. Ang goal nyo is for this thing to be your ending. Straight here. Let's go. Arms up. Nice! Far! Go far! Go far! Yay!
Better, Pia.
Perfect! Go far! Okay lang. But you're going here, Nakita mo, dito ka nag-finish. Kasi it means you're not reaching far enough. Dito ka. Yan. Okay? Para in preparation yan, actually cartwheel is just in preparation for round off, which is yun yung pwedeng pang combination. Round off to back handspring. Okay? So, para masanay kayo, para prepared na kayo, pag nag-cartwheel kayo, wag dito ang finish. Nandito pa din. Okay? Para pag ginawa nyo na siyang round off, yung round off lang naman, para siya yung kanina natin na exercise.
Wow.
That's what you need.
Yay!
Gamit siya.
Attitude na, pero patibayin mo na natin pa mo. Tapos maganda, may momentum So you do a, kalimutan ko na yung tawag dito. What's this called? Turning long. Sige, you'll do a turning long para lang may momentum ka. So turning long, from here, pagtapak nito dito, this will go up. Your body will go straight. Diba? Pero ito, wag mo tong taasan. Wag mo tong tataasan. Mababa lang to. Ito ang tataasan mo yung pangalawa. By arching. Tingnan nyo
Lag.
Look,
From the expert.
Okay tingnan nyo So this, yung turning long, we'll just use it for momentum. So, you kick here. Pag land mo dito, ito, straight lang to. Straight body lang. Yung pangalawa, ang tataas na naka-arch. I'll do it Woo.
Wow.
So yung pangalawa, ang mataas. And then, you keep it open the whole time. Automatic na yon. Pag ito mataas, ito ang una maglalan. And then, sabayan nyo lang yung bagsak. And kick. Nice! Ganon. Okay, let's go. Huwag mo muna taasan. Babaan mo lang. Baka itodo mo agad. Turning long lang na mahina lang. Hindi, wala ko mahina lang. O ito, gagawin nyo yung mahina. O ito yung itsura niya pag basic. Hindi ko siya itotodo I'll give probably mga 20% lang. So, kick, up, kick. Okay? Again. Kick, land, leg up, and then arch. Parang figure skating. Yan, ganon. Yan. No. Yan. Up. Yan! Hey, that's good. Yan ang basics ng what we call sa dancing naman, Mariah or yung 360. So sa Mariah naman, but I'm not gonna do it Wala akong practice Iba na to. So from here, bam, you go bring this up, and then instead of just arching, you go 360.
Wow.
Yun yung Mariah. Or what we call, butterfly. Kasi yung first leg, what's happening
We
is
have a visitor. Okay, go to Pia. Go to Pia.
dapat
Okay.
yung pangalawa,
You gonna do?
gagawin nyo talaga.
Yeah, later.
Watch.
They're gonna.
Ah,
Okay, they're gonna do slow motion.
okay. Oh, tingnan nyo to. See what happens. Bro, papa. Tingnan nyo. Ito, ayun o, nakabaloktot na. Bago mag-kick yung pangalawa. Yung unang leg mo pa lang nakabaloktot na. Hindi, okay naman. For first day, you guys shouldn't expect too much naman. Dapat nga conditioning lang tayo eh. Pinamingin sa'yo. Yung sa'yo naman, nagko-close yung paa mo together. So ayan, tama yan. Ayan, yung pangalawa mo, hindi sila naghihiwalay. Magkadikit na sila. Okay. Kuhaan mo yung leg ah. So I do a turning long and then ayan, tingnan nyo ah. So first leg, mababa lang. Second leg, higher. Boom. Tapos nakita nyo kung gaano ka-spread yung paa ko. Ayan oh. See? Kung gaano ka separated. If you watch yung paa nyo. Oh, see?
The visitor. Mommy is the visitor.
Nice. Nawala yung foundation mo sa cartwheel. Diba cartwheel na malakas and then you just close it. Ano nangyari? Nakafocus ka na ulit sa round off. Nawala na yung swing. Okay lang. So, iswing mo yung paa mo properly. And then, keep mo yun as open as possible. Tapos pag when you close, you push. Para you end up standing and you end up facing it. Tapos, siguraduhin mo na pag naglaan ka, straight ka. Hindi ka na ganyan, hindi ka na ganyan. Ginagawa namin na ganyan. Stand. Push up na ganyan.
Mommy thinks she can do it easily.
Do you do gymnastics?
Yeah.
She thinks she can.
Ruffles, Zoe, come here.
Go.
No, Zoe, Ruffles not joining.
Easy, mama.
Yeah.
Ano, pipigilan ba kita? I-handstand kita?
Ruffles, hey. Good.
Rama pa?
You're not hey, don't be
Yeah. Let's see how good you are.
You wanna see how good you are?
Oh,
wait,
Ha?
Nag-gymnastics ka nung bata ka.
Push the floor.
Oh, sabi ko na eh.
Oh.
Kasi
Really?
starting form niya pa lang, tama na eh. Sige, hold ko yung handstand mo and then let's see if you can push up. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
First try.
Yeah.
She knows what she's talking about. Kaiba.
Kofia, also.
Oh, Nathan.
Wow.
Forward pa. Forward. Dapat nag-split kayo, nagta-taekwondo kayo eh.
Yeah.
I used to do splits, Japanese at saka yung ano.
Even Nathan. Nathan's doing split lock.
Bali, wala sa inyo.
Oh. Show up. Show up.
Show up.
Wow, Nathan.
Um,
Nathan, don't be a show.
Oh, stay on your split.
I can't do it.
Open, point. Point.
Kofia.
Nice. Dapat basic sa inyo, nagta-taekwondo kayo eh. And then, go down.
Go down.
Oh, I'm on the edge. I can't go anywhere.
Ganyan.
Elbow.
Elbows down to the floor. Elbows down to the floor. Yun. Pati nga. Elbows down to the floor.
Nathan, elbows down.
Madali sa inyo kasi nagta-taekwondo. You guys do this sa taekwondo?
Sometimes.
Sometimes lang. Dapat dito eh.
No, not
Close
anymore.
hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And wow! Grabe! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, close. 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job! Stretch your shoulders, arms. You guys keep doing this all the time. Hindi kayo may injury sa wrist nyo. When you guys, if you guys stretch this all the time like this.
Make them my baby.
Lahat ng position, kunin
Make
nyo.
them my baby. Make them my
Lahat ng
baby.
angle, kunin nyo.
Done na ang first session of backflip.
Okay?
How about the Pias?
Yeah, thanks bro for the first session. Grabe, galing. Iba.
Do the conditioning para when I get back. Guys, continue the conditioning. Yun na yun yung pattern yun. Para kapag balik ko, straight tayo back handspring.
Oo.
Back handspring na.
Yun.
Condition na sila. Punta ako si Jason.
Alright, sige bro.
Bye-bye.